What is going on, guys? Cheers. Drinking a Waterloo sparkling water blackberry lemonade. Cheers. All right, so why are we here? We're here because I'm back trading. I'm going to try and make this video quick. This is something I've been planning on doing, and I've traded the last 2 days and I haven't done it. So I just want to tell you what my plan is going forward. So I started this account, this combine with Top Step, a 50K tryout, with no real plans to do anything. I found myself starting to get a little anxious about when I was going to start trading again and how I was going to react to the markets, and almost feeling a little nervous to place that first trade. So on Monday, I just wanted to place a trade to get rid of that. Just do it. Show myself there's nothing to be afraid of. It's a 50-day or $50 tryout account. Like, relax, man. So I did do that. Traded pretty decently yesterday. Didn't really look at the market after placing my trade. I took a couple trades, but nothing that I was staring at. Like I tend to do when I'm at my worst, is stare at the market and kind of just get dopamine hits off of every move that occurs, every tick, everything that happens. So yeah, yesterday was great. It was a great first day in. Then today came. I was set on a pretty good pace. I had $530 profit. You need 3,000 in order to get funded on this account. So I had like a decent buffer, for not trying at all. And then today I came into it and I took 9 trades, stared at the market all day, just like immediately reversed into old bad habits. And yeah, closed out and was like, I can't do this. Like, I can't just keep doing the same stupid stuff again. I want to document what I'm going through in order to get better at this, better at day trading. That was the goal of me doing this channel in the first place, just to document growth in life, and that includes trading. So here we are, day 2 into a combine. With this docu-series, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to do my absolute best to document each week in a video, essentially. So what that week looked like for me, what my P&L looks like, did I break any rules, and if I do break a rule, I have a wheel of doom that I'm going to be spinning. Some of you may have seen my wheel of doom from my Discord in the past. I stopped using it at one point. It didn't demand respect from me because I wasn't respecting it anymore. So it lost its power against me. With this docu-series, with these video journals of my trading, I'm bringing the Wheel of Doom back, and it has its full power over me again. If I break a rule, this wheel is being spun. So on this wheel, right now I have 6 things. If you have any for me that you want to see added on here that you think are going to be good and make me want to avoid spinning this even more, comment below. I'm sure the human in me is going to end up spinning this, and it will be documented. So what I have so far is get a tattoo of my least favorite word on my body, only eat beets for 3 days. I don't know if I've ever had a beet. Wax my legs, dribble a basketball for 3 hours, bear crawl 2 miles, and sit in silence with no technology, only a notebook for 4 hours. These suck. They have to suck in order for me to spin it, do it, and then respect it and not want to spin this damn thing again. When I did respect it for a while and was doing everything that I spun, I followed my rules better. But there came a point where I just blew a few rules one day, didn't want to spin it 4 times, so I just stopped doing it. But that is not going to be the case this scenario. I break a rule, it's being spun. Real quick, I'm just going to glance over my rules that I'm going to be following during this challenge. So during the combine only, my risk is $500. That'll drop when funded. My morning routine must be complete before trading. If not, no trades. So that includes exercising, cold shower, mindset preparation, pre-market planning, and possibly sleep requirements in the future. Only trade what was written on my game plan before market open. Only trade my playbook, which is 3 trades. I can make a video on that in the future. Only 1 trade per day max, no more. That's how I backtest. That's how I need to trade. When I'm entered in a trade, I have 15 minutes to watch. After that, I'm gone. Leaving the screen, I could check in periodically on my position, but it's not, I don't want to stare at the screens, right? I don't want to stare at the market all day. Track what I'm thinking before, during, and after a position. This is going to be important for the future, just to learn from. Review all my trades before trading the next day. No trading off my phone, and believe. If these rules are broken, I get a wheel spin. I'm going to hate myself. I'm going to video it all. No going back. This is documentation of a struggling trader trying to make it and doing everything in his power to absolutely do so. And we're going to see how it goes. So, yeah, if you're here, thanks for watching. Cheers, guys. Take care.